chart is a visual view of tasks scheduled over time. Gantt charts are used for planning projects of all sizes, and they are a useful way of showing what work is scheduled to be done on a specific day. They also help you view the start and end dates of a project in one simple view. It named after its inventor, Henry Gantt, who designed such a chart. To create a Gantt chart, just follow the simple steps. you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will always be updated for succeeding videos. God bless and keep safe.